Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let's thank God, the Almighty, who has been giving us His mercy and blessing. Until we can meet together here in this meeting without any trouble and obstacle in this happy place and time. Secondly, may salawat and salam be with our great Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who has guided the human being from darkness into the lightness. Thirdly, I will never forget to thank Mr. Alda William as our professor in English for Agrotechnology. And then let me introduce myself. My name is Reza Ilham Fadil. I will be moderator for today's presentation about sustainable solution for limited space. And it's my pleasure to introduce our speaker. There are Fitria Humaira, Reza Ilham Fadil, Rizan Zaidan Suryanto, and Sela Cynthia. Let's begin. Let's moving to the next slide. There is Fitria Humaira will explain about the background for this. Fitria Humaira, times is yours.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. Now I will tell about background. The importance of urban farming in urban areas. The first one, land scarcity due to urbanization. Second, lack of green open spaces. Third, increase in household organic waste. Fourth, the need for healthy and self-sufficient food. And the last one is urban farming as an eco-friendly solution. So that's it. Now I will hand it over to moderator.
Thank you, Fitria Humaira. That was great explanation. Let's moving to the next slide about objective of interview. Will take over by Sela Cynthia. For Sela Cynthia, time is yours.
Thank you to the moderator for your time. I will listen objectives or ranks of the interview. Identify the challenges of urban farming, explore solutions for utilizing limited space, analyze the role of waste management, compare with conventional farming, assess the environmental impact. I will hand it over to the moderator.
Thank you so much for Sela Cynthia. That was great explanation. Let's moving to the next slide. It's about participant profile. Will explain by Rizan Zaidan Suryanto. For Rizan, time is yours.
Thank you to moderator. Next, participant profile. Number one, Mr. Agis Fitrian Nugraha is a land manager, development of orange plants. Number two, Mr. Sais Abdul Qadir, sales and as the farm manager, operation at Taman Hati Farm. Number three, Miss Daslia Maulina Febrianti, expert in animal science, quit at Arjuna Farm. And number four, Mr. Indra Pramana SPMP is an expert lecturer of agriculture science. And last, Mr. Abdul Hakim SP MSc as an academic and expert lecturer of agriculture science. And next to Budapest.
Thank you so much for Rizan Zaidan Suryanto. That was great explanation. Now I will take over this presentation. It's about interview question. There are 4 questions in this interview. There are the challenge of limited space in cities, and then reducing organic waste, and then different yields and urban farming and conventional, and the last is about impact and environmental awareness. That is all for my part. I will take over to our partner. Next slide. About finding number 1 will explain by Fitria Humaira. For Fitria Humaira, time is yours.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity again, Reza. Now I will explain the finding one, which is the challenge of limited space. First one is from Mr. Agis, is overcoming technical hurdles like limited sunlight. And then from Mr. Sais, managing biological risks like pests and disease. And next, from Ms. Deslia, managing social harmony and creative infrastructure solutions. And then next, Mr. Abdul, overcoming educational and psychological barriers. And the last one is Mr. Indra, ensuring financial sustainability against land conversion. And this is divided into three analysis groups. First, technical and environmental. Second, socio-economic. And the last one, human capital. So, that's it. I will hand it over to moderator again.
Thank you so much for video Myra. That was great explanation. Let's moving to the next slide. Is about finding number 2. Will explain by Rizan Zaidan Suryanto. For Rizan Zaidan Suryanto, the time is yours.
Thank you, moderator. And next, finding number 2, reducing organic waste. Mr. Agis. Next, Mr. Agis, sorting waste at home allows organic waste. Mr. Sais turning kitchen waste into fertilizer for home gardening. And next, Mrs. Deslia, urban farming turn waste into nutrient. Mr. Indra turning kitchen waste into fertilizer and using bioforest. And last, Mr. Abdul, prevent air and water pollution. And next, they divided into 3 analysis groups. And number 1, pollution control. Number 2, efficient growing media. And number 3, lifestyle and education. Next to moderator.
Thank you so much for Rizan Zaidan Suryanto. That was great explanation. And in this slide, I will take over about finding number 3 is about yield of urban farming versus conventional. There is Mr. Agis about navigation pollution and water security and pest control. And Mr. Sais is delivering premium quality sweeter taste and higher market value. And Mrs. Deslia ensuring more hygienic and faster growth through matured nutrient. And then there's Mr. Indra excelling in high quality, closely monitored plant health. And the last one is from Mr. Abdul, enabling easier and more detailed monitoring and of plant health. This all divided to 3 analysis groups. There are product quality and production capacity and then control and management. That is all from my part. Next, moving to the next slide is about finding number 4. Will take over by Sela Cynthia. For Sela Cynthia, time is yours.
Thank you to the moderator for your time. I will present finding for impact on environmental awareness. In this section includes 5 opinion forms. Mr. Agis, reducing temperature and pollution through small-scale farming. Mr. Sais, increasing oxygen levels and reducing the amount of organic waste. Ms. Deslia, utilizing small plots of land for cost-effective food production. Mr. Indra, improving environmental quality through green space. Mr. Abdul, reducing pollution by processing organic waste. I will divide it into 3 analysis groups. 1. Environment and ecosystem. 2. Waste management. 3. Economy and space. I will hand it over to the moderator.
Thank you so much for Sela Cynthia. That was clear explanation about funding 3. Let's moving to the next slide. It's about solution and strategies. We'll head over by Fitria Humaira. For Fitria Humaira, time is yours.
Okay, next I will tell about the solutions and strategies. First, use of greenhouses. Second, hydroponic system. Third, waste sorting education. Fourth, waste processing into compost or POC. And the last one is utilization of small space. Now I will hand it over to moderator.
Okay, thank you so much for Fitria Humaira. That was clear explanation about solution and strategies. Let's moving to the next slide is about discussion analysis. We'll hand over by Sela Cynthia. For Sela Cynthia, time is yours.
Thank you to the moderator for your time. In the discussion analysis of finding section, hydroponic support soil limitation, greenhouses help control the environment, small-scale farming backfires control, urban farming focus on quality, not quantity. I will hand it over to the moderator.
Thank you so much for Rosella Cynthia. That was clear explanation. Next, moving to the next slide is about conclusion. Will take over by Rizan Zaidan Suryanto. For Rizan Zaidan Suryanto, the time is yours.
Thank you to moderator. And next, I read conclusion. And number one, urban farming address the scarcity, and number two, present technical, economic, and social challenge, and number three, products, high quality product, and last, a sustainable solution. Next to moderator.
Thank you so much for all my partner. This is the last for our presentation. Thank you so much for your great attention, and we have sorry for any mistake. Thank you so much, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yes, yes, yes.